there's a report here from 1950. The earlier readings I gave were around about the 1850s to the 1890s. But in the 1950s, a Mr. W.F. Christian of Bollacubrach, that's in Sulby, made a Cammag stick out of gorse to show how it appeared, and also gave an old Cammag ball. And the other person who mentions the gorse stick is the Gow. That's the blacksmith from John Neen from Ballaugh. And he was born and brought up in Andrus, but latterly he was in Ballaugh. And he mentions a gorse stick. But other mentions of the gorse stick are from Andrus, again the Gow. And he said that boys would prefer fence posts and any other branch of a tree. And they would go around stealing fence posts to make their Cammag sticks with. So the boys in that time were against the gorse stick. It's not a very easy wood to use, and it's certainly not a very easy wood to play with.